Hello, I'm Cypress. My friend Ginny is playing Minecraft.
Hello.
Wait, where
Hello.
are you? Oh, hi.
Hello.
Sun cannot see.
So
Okay, I'm gonna take video.
So yeah, we are playing survival games in.
Hold on.
We are playing survival games in Seascape server. So hope you guys enjoy. So subscribe to his channel. And yeah, so let's see where we can. Okay, it's a server over here. We joined it. Luckily, I don't know why. I don't know how. We are so lucky. So I don't know why I'm
I'm gonna
joining.
move around. Closing the curtain.
Oh shit. Oops. So loud.
What the? Hold on.
So yeah, we are playing what is this? I need to see. I just click the whole entire thing. So I have a gold sword and 4 fish and 1 chicken.
Move, chest.
So yeah. Okay,
I wonder how to put a camera properly.
what's wrong?
No, I don't know which way to take.
It's okay. I think both way are okay. Yeah, you also can.
Oh, yeah, I'm using a
go to my
self-take camera. That's why it's very hard for me to aim.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay, so
Let's see when he dies. Everybody must remember to laugh when he dies, okay?
oh hey, that's not cute. And obviously, if you guys play Minecraft, you know it's Seascape server. Super.
Why can't I just...
I dropped my gold sword. So yeah.
Never mind. It's very hard to take.
You will turn your
Make a
camera.
video.